Hello friends, today we are continuing our usual through the February Animals in Love series, and first I want to make background because I work with Faber Castell water soluble pencils again. So first I want the background to be like this because I want to make background very loosely, cute and everything. So that is that. A little bit of orange, then a bit of pinkish, then maybe also a yellow, then here is like reddish. Here is some red, and then will be blue here, not really blue, just violet here, and also here some creamy colors, a little bit here around this branch, darker brown, then again violet, and again here orange and yellow. And now we will take one brush, pretty big one. This one is 12, number 12, and then we will start from here activating these colors. Now I want to clip this with that because I want this to dry flat. Okay, now it is a little bit of dry, and now I want to work on the birds. So let's start from this one. This is male bird, and he's so cute. First I want to work on these feathers here. Like I do draw fur and feathers, usually I like to draw it one by one. I know it's a bit hard thing to do, but it is look most natural on this way. So first we will make it everything which is supposed to be orange. We will make it orange. Then we will add a little bit of red and yellow here and there. Like this, and this will also be red, but never mind, I just want to show it like this. And then we adding our yellow everywhere, almost everywhere, around the eyes, around the beak, and the front of the body is also yellow. like this, and then it's red. Red is here, and the back of the neck, a few little feathers here, a little bit of here around the neck, and this part is totally red. And here on this part. So that is that, our little birdie, like this. Then his feathers on the wings are also here, pretty much light blue and dark blue. Now his little eye is totally black, just the one little white part, we leave it, and the beak is also black, but with a little gray. With a little gray part here. The legs are also black. Like this, and here somewhere is the other leg. Here. Then the other birdies, we will work on the beak first, and eyes. And I found this picture on Pinterest, and when I was looking who made this, is some name, but I see that person is not probably work on this picture, because when I zoom in the picture I can see the watermark, and it says Nightingale Craftery, so it is probably this. And now second bird is red here around the eye, and now it's everything is yellow and blue. So now I need to be pretty careful, because when you mix yellow and blue it's became green. And we also can add a little bit of gray here and there to be more natural. So like something like this. And now the flowers. First I want to work on the branch, and branch is of course brown, then darker brown, and now the flowers. Flowers are yellow and pink and orange. So now we also have some spots here and there, but I will not, this is too small, so I will not make it like this. I will do it when I finished with water. Very carefully around leaves and these branches I'm adding water with a not very wet brush, just a little bit, and I'm careful with the washing brush because I don't want these flowers to be orange here. I want them to be yellow and red. Then here also my leaves, and also I want to add a bit water on my birdies, but first with yellow. First I will activate yellow, then the red, and at the end I will activate also a blue. And now I want to add this little, like I said, bits and bobs on these branches because I can see it is very visible on this reference I have in front of me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.